Hi kids, so today I want to show you how to install Python, install its integrated development environment, and how the few basics of Python so that you can get started. I'll also show you a Python cheat sheet which will give you a full breakdown of all the different variables and data types and data structures and all of the mumbo jumbo of Python. So Python is one of the main programming languages in 2026. It has been there for a while, and it's very important to know Python for AI, and it's very important for bioinformatics, and it's very important for biotechnology as well. So let's get started. So what you want to do first is go to get the Python download. You want to download the latest version of Python. Okay, so just go, I think if you're on Windows, you go for the Windows version, and the Mac version is there as well. So rather than the install manager, go to Python 3.1.4, and you can just put it in your software folder. Okay, until that is installed, you need to put an integrated development environment, because this is where the Python code can actually be run and like the program can be executed. So for that, the best is PyCharm. The only Python IDE you need, it's in jetbrains.com. So before it was actually fully paid, now it's completely free forever. Okay, so this is the download. Then once it's downloaded, you can install it. So now that we have it installed, you can see there are few things that you can do in Python that I have already done. So this is the print function where you can say print hello world, and then it puts it into the console, right? You can see my console here. It says hello world, and this is what is called a variable. Let's say you put character name because Jill, so that character name will come to the it won't be in the console because this is not the print function, but the character name will be stored. That will be stored as a variable. So for the Python cheat sheet, all you need to do is go to Google and click on Python cheat sheet. So this will give you a quick breakdown of the basics of Python. So the different data types, comments, getting started, variable and assignment, strings, all of that, numbers and math. So I know like coding at first it seems a bit hard to understand, but actually once you get down to coding, what you need to understand is you're just giving the computer a set of instructions. The more complex the instructions you give, the more complex the program is carried out in the computer. So don't be afraid to play around with Python, play around with coding, because it is one of the best ways to rewire your brain. So it'll increase your neuroplasticity because you're actively problem solving. Because when you code, there will be instances where the code doesn't work. There can be syntax issues, right? So when you debug these syntax issues by yourself, sometimes you may need to Google, you may need to ChatGPT, you may need to go through a course, or you may need to go to Stack Overflow. But if you try to do it by yourself, it'll help your problem solving skills, because you see what is the error and you'll get through it, and it'll increase your ability and even your brain power. So this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you need any help, please shoot me a DM for my master course.